Hello everybody, I'm back with you today. We are going to be making a low carb option for mashed potatoes. So I'm sure you're asking right now, what type of option is low carb for mashed potatoes? So what we're going to be using today are parsnips. So this is a parsnip, it's a root vegetable, and it kind of has a sweet taste, kind of like a carrot is what I've read. I did eat one before, but I roasted them before. And today I'm going to just simply boil them. So the first thing that I'm going to do is clean the parsnips. After that point, I'm going to use a vegetable peeler and peel them. Then after that, we're going to chop them up, and I already have the water boiling, so then we'll just throw them in there and let them cook. Put these parsnips in this boiling water, and we're going to I'm going to cover them and let them boil for about 20 minutes, at least until they're tender. So now the parsnips are done. They are tender just like a potato would be. So I'm going to put them in a bowl, mash them up, throw in some garlic, some salt, some pepper. Now if you choose, you could always use an herb. I'm not going to add any herbs because we have children and they may not like them. They're pretty much used to eating bland potatoes with just ketchup. And the other thing that you can do if you wanted to, we're going to eliminate the oils. You could add some olive oil into it if you chose to. But for us, we're going to leave the oil out. So as you can see, I already added in my milk, I added in my salt, pepper, and garlic, and I'm just mashing them with a masher. You could always choose to put it in a mixer and mix them up, but I'm just gonna mash them. Of course, if you put them in a mixer, they'll come out a lot smoother. All right, now, so I done finished up both things. I'm gonna add my gravy to these low carb potatoes, or better yet, I should say, my parsnips. Let me get my spoon so I can taste this. This is good, guys. You need to taste this. You need to try this. It's awesome.